In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your purchases on Whop. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily access your purchase history. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you frequently shop on Whop and want to keep track of your transactions. First, let's start by visiting the Whop homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Whop or click the link provided. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You should see your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It might be represented by a small circle or an avatar image depending on your account settings. Next, hover over or click on your profile icon. This action should reveal a drop-down menu or a list of options related to your account. This is where you'll find various settings and information related to your profile, including your orders. Navigating menus like this is a common practice on many websites, so once you get the hang of it, you'll find it quite intuitive. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Orders and click on it. This is the key step where you can access your purchase history. Clicking Orders will take you to a new page dedicated to all the transactions you've made on Whop. Here you can review each purchase, check order details, and even download invoices if needed. This is particularly helpful if you need to verify a purchase or if you simply want to keep a detailed record of your spending. Remember, accessing your purchase history is not only about keeping track of your expenses, but also an essential part of managing your online shopping activities. It can help you spot any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions quickly, and it also allows you to have a clear overview of your buying patterns over time. So, to recap, start by visiting the Whop homepage. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Orders from the menu. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily find and review your purchase history on Whop. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Whop's customer support for further assistance. They're there to help you have the best experience possible on the platform. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in navigating your Whop account. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!